Hi, I'm Austin from Better Display Cases, and today I'm going to show you how to hang up your wall mount. Before we begin, we're going to gather a few tools. An unassembled wall mount, a hammer, a level, a power drill, a pencil, a Phillips head screwdriver, and wall anchors. Now, I need to find a good location for my wall mount, and I think this one here is pretty good. I need to avoid sunlight because it's going to damage the case and it's going to damage your story. I also have to avoid low places because I don't want children to break the case. You know, I want it to be as safe as possible. So I'm going to put it as high as I can to avoid the children. So now that I've found a good spot for my wall mount, I'm going to use a level. Now, the thing about a level is there is this bubble inside the middle of the level, and you're supposed to even it out with the two lines so that you know your location is level. What you're going to want to do is not use the part of the bubble, but instead use the flat surface near the edge to make sure you place it in the correct position. So now I'm going to use the straight edge to make sure I know exactly where I'm putting my holes for my screws by drawing a straight line perpendicular to the straight edge. So now I'm going to take my screw and make a little indentation in between the intersecting points to make sure I know exactly where I'm putting my screw. So now I'm going to take my number 4 drill bit, place it on here like so, and drill a hole for my anchor. So now that I have my hole drilled in my wall, I'm going to take the wall anchor and start hammering it in carefully, because some of these wall anchors are not that durable. So you want to make sure you are very careful with hammering it in. Perfectly lined up. And now we finally drill in our screws. Now you want to leave some room for the actual wall mount to sit on top of the screws. Like so. So now that you have your pre-built wall mount and your football right here, place the wall mount like so. Place your prized possession like so, and then you put the case on it. And touchdown. Now, as you can see, it's leaning a little bit forward. So what you want to do is either take shims like so and place them back behind the wall mount, this. Or you could use cardboard. Now you can adjust the cardboard as much as you want, so you can really get it pretty perfectly underneath the wall mount. And now you have your perfectly leveled wall mount from Better Display Cases. So you can do a couple of things. You can either take shims, like so, and place them up in between. Well, look. Look.